Manungan kakitaan man, kinapintas ti kabakiran.
Good day viewers, today we will be diving into 3 deep Ilocano words and I'm going to teach how to pronounce them, what they mean, and even learn how to use them in a sentence. Let's begin. For the first word is indengam. Indengam basically means to endure or to bear something, especially hardships. In a sentence, indengam ti sakit ti ulo nga tugot ta panagayat mo itang lalaki. In English, endure the headache caused by your love for that man. For the second word is ladingit. Ladingit means a feeling of bitterness, sorrow, or sadness. In a sentence, adda iti ladingit iti pusok no panunutek nga ibati na. In English, there is a bitterness in my heart when I'm thinking that you might leave me. For the third and last word for this video is agulla-ullang. It means to keep crying or continuous crying. In a sentence, agulla-ullang ni Iko idinatiliwnan ni bakit na nga adda kadwa na asabali. In English, Iko keeps crying when he caught his wife with someone else. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about new Ilocano words, and if you have questions about Ilocano words, feel free to comment down below. Goodbye!